Hey, welcome back, you guys. Sean and Alice here, Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida. And today we are at
Long Beach Towers 3,
Tower
Unit 1303.
And this listing is currently being offered by,
Gym Free Realty,
and the listing agent is?
even at free.
All right, let's walk around here. Unit 1303 in Tower 3. Just as you walk in, you got a owner's closet there. They're having a little bit of repairs done right now, so that's why the dishwasher's out. Straight across in the kitchen, you have stackable laundry, water heater and air handler. And then the first bedroom. I love the floor to ceiling windows that this building has. Walk-in closet. Your living room. Another walk-in closet. And then the other bedroom. Here you have a door to the balcony. Very good size. The other door across the way goes into the other bedroom on the other side of the condo. Here's the view on this cloudy day. You can see Pineapple Willie's over there. The beach below. And then all the way to the pier. All right, you guys. If you got any questions about this unit or any other units in Panama City Beach, our contact information is down below. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.